Is Jake ready? Where's Jake?
I don't know.
You don't know? My wife just pulled in behind me. You said you'd have him ready.
Can't be done.
What do you mean it can't be done?
Not strong enough. His will is greater than mine. I'm just gonna get drunk and stay out of his way.
Please tell me he's ready. My parents are driving me nuts.
Hey, Mom.
Oh, don't you look handsome?
Uncle Charlie's with my tie.
Well, you don't need a tie. Grow up, Charlie.
Bye.
I thought you said he beat you.
He did. Now he's just screwing with me.